Ready to get started with Samsung VXT? Let's take a look at how to navigate the VXT CMS interface and start managing your displays with ease. After you log into the VXT CMS with your Samsung account, you'll see the main user interface. This is the central dashboard for all of your visual display contents and devices. From here, you can navigate to 4 basic management functions: screen, content, playlist, and schedule. Find Quick Glance near the bottom. It's a snapshot of your display network status, showing whether your screens are operating normally, in a warning state, or deactivated due to license expiration. You can also find your license information on the left. It shows how many licenses you have, how many are being used, and how many are available to assign to new displays. At the top is the workspace selection. Use it to group screens, other users, and content into isolated groups that operate independently from each other. A display can only be assigned to one group, but users can be assigned to multiple groups so teams can work simultaneously. Use the drop-down to select a workspace. Owners and overall account administrators can view all workspaces. Next, let's review content within VXT. After opening your content library, you'll see the files you've uploaded as thumbnails with their respective content type, tags, and file name. Videos display the opening frame, images show a preview, and other documents such as PowerPoints or web pages display as an icon. You can upload an endless amount of content to the library. To add new content, click Add Content, which opens a new window. You can also browse to find your content, or simply drag and drop to add images like JPEGs, PNGs, videos such as MP4s and AVIs, documents including PDFs and PowerPoints, and web pages by pasting a live URL or uploading zipped files containing all the assets. Once uploaded, your files are saved centrally in the main library, where users with permission may access them. Next, rename and tag the files. Tags are simply keywords you assign to make it easier to organize, search for, and preview content. Edit files in File Properties, where you'll find a larger thumbnail as well as other details such as file type, resolution, size, frame rate, codec, duration, and when and who last added or modified it. You'll also see any tags that have already been added. Tag or untag by clicking the X or plus icon. Enter your tag and select a category. 4 are provided: region, location, subject, or others, but you can add, modify, or delete them. Tags are handy organizers when you want to browse or search. Near the top of your content window, you can search by file name or tag, or apply multiple filters at once. Sort by date, orientation, type, or update status. On the left, a Tag Explorer lets you browse tags as if they are folders, grouped by category. Published files are noted with a play icon. From the file properties, you can deploy an asset to screens, add tags, preview, duplicate, delete, replace, or view its content journey map. The journey map shows exactly where a piece of content is being shown, on which screens, in which playlists, and in which schedules. Next, let's see how to build content in VXT. Click Create Content to open the Canvas tool. It launches in a new browser tab and works a lot like PowerPoint, Google Slides, Keynote, or Canva. Start with a blank canvas that you can resize, recolor, or reorient. Add slides, define a prime page or slide master, or load one of the many templates provided. We've organized templates to give your business everything it needs to get started, including things like menus, retail promotional materials, education, healthcare, plus simple snap-to grids, and more. Everything on a template is editable, so you can move, resize, or restyle anything on the page. Select an object and its properties appear to the right. Change text, colors, crop or filter images, change the transparency, layering, alignment, or add animation to make items appear, disappear, move, scroll, or appear highlighted. It literally is an open canvas. To the right, text boxes allow you to format the style, including custom or system fonts, sizes, alignment, spacing, colors, outline, shadow, and animation. To the left side of the canvas, you'll find tools and libraries that offer even more design options. A variety of art stores provide access to specially curated art, with custom matting and framing inspired by the Frame TV technology, so your screens can show art when they aren't being used for signage. Some may require a subscription to use. You also have a wide variety of widgets for dynamic content, including buttons for social media feeds, live video, web pages, utilities for text tickers, RSS feeds, QR codes, and countdown clocks. You can also access weather widgets that are fully customizable from the Weather Channel, clocks, and other visual effects. Drag any media you've uploaded, add shapes or text blocks and widgets, or search a library of free stock videos and photographs from Samsung partners on Pixabay. All are licensed for your use. Some tools like SharePoint, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Google Drive, and Power BI connect to Microsoft and Google services. Deploy other content generation tools like Samsung Shadow Gen or partner apps like Stingray Music and Wizar Digital for point-of-sale integration. You can even use the VXT SDK to integrate your own tools. After you finish working in Canvas, the file saves to your content library automatically. From here, you can deploy content to one or more screens. The system stores it locally on each screen's media player, so the asset keeps looping, even if the network goes down. You also can organize content into playlists. Simply add items, set durations, reorder them, and assign a playlist to one or more screens where it loops continuously until you change it. Schedules let you take that a step further. Use the calendar-style interface to schedule content. Choose start and end dates, specify times, or select days of the week or month. Other than the media player's storage size, there's no limit to the number of assets you can add. Samsung commercial displays with embedded system-on-chip technology support off-the-shelf USB storage expansion, which means content is stored on the local device. Because of this, screens continue to operate even if VXT or your internet connection temporarily goes down. And finally, screen management. Each screen appears as a tile showing its name, thumbnail, the content being played, alerts, and current status. At the top, the bell icon tracks display health and opens notifications, where you can view command history and configure early warning reports. Opt to receive these reports by email or via the VXT mobile app for events like network disconnections, power loss, or hardware issues. Manage who receives which notifications and when. Open Screen Properties to view detailed screen information, apply tags, and control security settings. You can also push firmware updates, restrict access to Bluetooth, USB ports, remotes, or on-screen buttons, and turn the display on or off remotely. With a P-Series license, you can control the screen remotely. A live preview shows what's playing, and a full virtual remote lets you navigate menus in real time. This gives you incredibly detailed control over your displays. These are the core functions of the VXT CMS platform, bringing screens, content, playlists, and schedules together in one seamless location so you control your digital signage network confidently and securely.